Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can install Microsoft Office for free on Windows. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very simple. What you have to do is just go to your Chrome browser, and right over here, first up you need to search up config.office.com, and right over here you just gotta scroll down and then you gotta create a new configuration. Just simply press on create, and then right over here you gotta put in your architecture. Depending on the device, if you're in 32-bit, just choose that, but most of devices are now on 64, just simply choose that. And then suite, just simply go for Office LTSE Standard 2021 or Office Standard, so whatever suits you, just go for that. So I'm just gonna go for this one right over here, and then the VCO, it depends on what type of VCO you want, and then project. So you can just select what kind of deploy you want, and after that select the version. So I'm just choosing the latest, and then this, and then you can just choose the apps to include in the deployed. So just choose whatever you'd like to choose. So Word, Excel, and yeah, these are going to be good. Now you just got to select the language. Obviously we're just going to go with English. You can add additional language, and then installation. For installation, just make sure that these settings are turned on, and update and upgrade, all those settings are turned on. Now what you gotta do is just simply export this onto your PC, and make sure this file is exported to your PC. I don't need it because I already have it, but once you do that, you just need to go to this another website called Microsoft.com, and then what's it called, you just need to type in Microsoft Office deployment tool, and then right over here you just gotta select the language, and then download your deployment tool. And once it starts downloading, you just need to download. I don't need to download because I already have it and I've installed it. Once this downloads, just simply install the deployment tool, and you already have it, the Office customization tool, so they both will sync automatically, and then open up Office with your selected settings. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.